Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a KitchenAid dishwasher and it's giving you a 10-3 error on the digital display. Or if you don't have a digital display, the KitchenAid will indicate these errors via a series of blinks. For this one, it would give you like 10 blinks and then 3 blinks for the 10-3 thing. So it'll go 10 blinks, 2-second pause, 3 blinks, 5-second pause, repeat the 10 blink, 3 blink cycle. And what's happening is that the fan that moves air to dry the dishes it's sensing a failure there. So this could be a physical failure with the fan or an electrical failure, anywhere in between the fan and all the way to the control board. So the bad news is this isn't necessarily localized to one area. It could be anywhere, again, anywhere between the drying fan and the control board. So the first thing to do is just to inspect the drying fan for any physical damage. Inspect the wires going into the fan. And then if you don't see anything like that, you might just want to replace that fan because it might be burnt out. And then if that doesn't fix it, you're probably going to need to just, the next thing to do would be to replace the actual control board. But anyways, I hope this video helped you figure out at least what's going on with your dishwasher. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.